This is princess panel dress. It consists of princess panel bodice along with basic skirt. If I talk about front bodice part, so like on center front the lines are going vertical, and on side front they are slant, and on basic skirt at front side, on right side it's the stripes are vertical, and on left side the stripes are horizontal. And if I talk about back, so back is the same as the front, but it consists of invisible zip. This is the zip, and the lining is attached invisible as well. This is invisible zip, and invisible lining is attached on the dress where no seams is visible. You can see it.